Hello everybody, it's me Robin from Revenue Solutions. If you need any kind of WordPress website, you may contact with us. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 SEO plugins for WordPress website. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. So that will very helpful for us. So in the top 5, the plugin name is SEO Press. SEO Press is simple yet powerful WordPress plugin. It includes all the features you would expect from an SEO plugin like meta title, description, open graph support, image and content XML sitemaps, redirects and more. It comes with a straightforward setup for beginners and advanced controls for more experienced users. Number 4. Rank Math. You can use it to easily add meta title, description, and open graph metadata to your blog posts. The plugin also allows you to generate an XML sitemap, connect to Google Search Console, and control access to plugin features based on user roles. Number 3. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool offered by Google to help website owners monitor and maintain their site's presence in Google search results. Most importantly, it shows which keywords your website is ranking for, anchor text, average position, impressions, and more. You can use this data to find keywords where you can easily rank higher by simply optimizing your content. In the second positions, all-in-one SEO for WordPress. All-in-one SEO for WordPress is one of the best WordPress SEO plugin on the market. It comes with the easiest setup wizard that automatically helps you choose the best SEO settings for your business. It shows you true SEO on-page analysis with an actionable checklist to optimize your posts and pages. In the first positions, your SEO is the best WordPress plugin that allows you to optimize your WordPress website for search engines. SEO automatically generates an XML sitemap for all your website content, which makes it easier for search engines to crawl your website. It also helps you easily import your SEO data if you have been using another SEO plugin.